I'm here at HPE Discover in Las Vegas with Sandeep Singh, and HPE and Google made a big announcement this week that I'm hoping you can tell me a little bit about.
Sure, absolutely. It's quite exciting, actually. We announced an expanded strategic partnership across the board to deliver a true hybrid cloud to our customers, as well as deliver advisory and professional services to help customers accelerate their adoption of a true hybrid cloud.
So what do you mean by true hybrid cloud?
Great question. It's rooted in looking at as the application workloads are transforming into being much more container-based application workloads, and CIOs are looking to unlock the agility and innovation across all clouds. They want that flexibility for it to be to span on-premises as well as public clouds. And the existing solutions that have been in place today are ideally suited for the stateless application workloads. So for example, back in April at Google Next, we had partnered with Google to announce two validated designs. The first was built with SimpliVity on premises, and the second one was built with the combination of HPE ProLiant and HPE Nimble Storage. And those two validated designs work in conjunction with Anthos to enable stateless application workloads. But the reality is that as customers are looking at this as a next generation architecture that will enable next generation mission critical container-based application workloads, and those will not only be stateless, but ultimately stateful where data persistence really matters. For that to be enabled for customers, you need a underlying data plane that enables data mobility as well as provides consistent data services. That's kind of the foundation of it. That then enables application workload mobility. And then CIOs also want that multi-cloud flexibility. So in this true hybrid cloud, what we are enabling in partnership with Google Cloud is the data plane is built on HPE Nimble Storage on premises with the combination of HPE Cloud Volumes that provides that cloud data service. Those two are interoperable, so you get that data mobility and consistency of data services. Anthos enables the application workload mobility built on top of containers. And that multi-cloud flexibility is enabled with HPE Cloud Volumes, which connects to AWS Compute or Azure Compute, and in Q3 to Google Cloud Compute. That gives that ultimate flexibility to have your data and application workloads mobile across even public clouds without the burden of egress fees and or data migration. So in terms of the use cases, Jake, I know you had wanted to also understand the use cases.
I'm curious. So give me some example use cases.
Yeah, so in terms of the use cases, what it's enabling customers to do is, first off, to be able to modernize their applications in place, to take them from the existing application types and convert them into being container-based applications. They can do that on premises with the environments that they are already familiar. Secondly, to enable hybrid dev test. Developers want to develop in the public cloud, and IT wants that flexibility to deploy on premises. A true hybrid cloud enables that. Third, hybrid disaster recovery, where you've got a application deployed on premises, and yet you can protect to the cloud as well as recover in the cloud. And then finally, multi-cloud. That flexibility to take an application and be able to instantiate it pretty much in any cloud. That's kind of that ultimate nirvana state. We're enabling that, and that is enabled with HPE Cloud Volumes, providing that data plane in conjunction with HPE Nimble Storage, combined with Anthos.
And so one thing that I caught earlier that you said was that there are no egress fees in this situation. Is this true only for the Google Cloud relationship, or is that also true for other clouds?
It's true for other clouds as well. The beauty is with HPE Cloud Volumes, because it is a cloud data service, your data is stored in HPE Cloud Volumes, which then connects over this high-speed, low-latency connect to AWS Compute or Azure Compute or GCP Compute. So when you want to connect to other clouds, you essentially don't have to migrate your data. You just basically are going to export that data and make it available to the compute in whichever cloud. So that is a very fast operation, happens within minutes, and you're up and running in the new cloud. So one last thing I'll say is also, beyond the technology element that true hybrid cloud is going to enable for our customers, the other challenge is skills gap. And what we're also offering is basically advisory and professional services that will help our customers accelerate their journey in that hybrid cloud adoption. And then finally, for folks that want that end-to-end hybrid cloud experience delivered as a service, what we're also working on and announced is we're going to enable that true end-to-end hybrid cloud as a service with HPE GreenLake. So it's exciting times.
Wow, that's a lot all packed into one announcement.
Indeed, indeed. We're super excited about it.
All right, thank you.